Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to track Remitly reference number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, for example, let's say you made a certain transaction through Remitly, right? Now, if you want to track the reference number of certain transactions, all you gotta do is simply click on transfer history. But you don't need to track the reference number as your transactions will be recorded in your transfer history. So simply click on transfer history, and when you click on transfer history, all your transactions will be provided or displayed right here. Now you can select all transfers, or you can select in progress transfers or your delivered transfers, and you can also select how much you can show per page as well. Now in order to get your reference number or track your reference number, all you gotta do is simply select the transaction that you are looking for, and that's basically how you can find your Remitly reference number. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.